So I got a half of a rack of ribs for my dogs. I also brought a couple of the bones home for them. They love their bones. What's this? What's this, a bone? Take the bone. Yeah, Max, I got more for you too. Maxie, eat your bone. That's it. I love those bones. It's like that rawhide for the teeth, or whatever it is. They love it. So the dog's eating good. They're big pimping. Big pimping, eating ribs. Big pimping, eating steak. Big pimping, getting ready to barbecue. We're cleaning the barbecue so the A-faller can start grilling again. I can't wait. Should be tomorrow.